Error code 1603 on a generac 22 kW LP gas. Error code 1600 is also showing up. Is this a fuel issue?
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. What are the model and serial number of the genset?
I don't have her at the moment. I'm an electrian and have installed for a costomer, and they have just called me. They have had this problem for a few weeks and I thought it was a fuel issue. They have had their fuel provider out and they are not a lot of help. I bled the regulator and it runs but act up a few days later.
I have to know which model this is.
Going to see if homeowner can get and send me in a few.
Okay.
Model 7043 serial ###.
Okay. I don't know where the 7043 came from. According to the serial number, the model number is on this evolution controller. There is no code 1603 listed. Are you certain it was read correctly? Code 1600 is under speed. This can be caused by a fuel restriction, an overloaded genset, or a problem with the speed control. The first thing to do is to verify that an adequate fuel supply is getting to the genset. This includes ensuring that the primary regulator is of sufficient BTU rating to run the genset, and that the piping between the tank and the genset are of adequate size. If this is not an external fuel issue, the best thing to do is to contact an authorized generac service facility, as this unit is under warranty until August 1, 2021. Any attempt to go inside the genset will result in the voiding of the warranty, and you will be responsible for the cost of any parts that are needed. If you need help finding an authorized service center, let me know the zip code.
42,754.
There are 3 listed in your area, outside of Louisville, Taylor's T&E LLC 573W Halls Creek Road, Hartford, Kentucky 42347 USA. Distance, 35 miles. Get directions #BR. Rating image writer review sales service to Lancaster Electric BR, Brandenburg, Kentucky 40108 USA. Distance, 36 miles. Get directions #BR. Rating image read all 1 reviews writer review sales service 3 Miller Electric BR, Beechmont, Kentucky 42323 USA. Distance, 47 miles. Get directions #BR. Rating image read all 1 reviews writer review sales service. There are also several in Louisville, 1 Morris Electric Co. Incorporated BR, Louisville, Kentucky 40218 USA. Distance, 60 miles. Get directions website, www.morrisgenerators.net #BR. Rating image read all 18 reviews writer review financing sales service 3 Wagner Electric Company BR, Louisville, Kentucky 40299 USA. Distance, 63 miles. Get directions #BR. Rating image read all 2 reviews writer review financing sales service.
Model G006552. I just came and started. Generator is starting but seems to be up and down on speed, then shuts off with code 1603.
I just checked with Generac, and there is not supposed to be a code 1603 on this unit at all. It is not programmed for it. You definitely need to get an authorized service person out there to check on it.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.